In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your website on Wix Studio. To get started, open the Wix Studio editor and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is where you will find all the elements you can place on your site. From there, go into Media and then expand the Audio Players section. Wix Studio gives you a few player styles to choose from, such as a classic player or a mini player. So pick the one that best fits the design of your page. Once you've chosen a player, drag and drop it onto the section or layout grid where you want the audio player to appear. Try to place it somewhere that makes sense visually and is easy for visitors to find. After the player is on your page, click on it and select Change Track. At this point, you have two ways to add your audio. If your audio file is already hosted online and publicly accessible, you can paste the direct URL by choosing the external MP3 option. If you want to upload a file from your own computer instead, click Track and upload your MP3 or WAV file. After the upload is complete, select the audio track and click Add to Track. This connects the file to the player so it's ready to use on your site. Next, look for the playback behavior settings here. You can choose whether the audio should loop continuously or play just once. This setting depends on the kind of experience you want to create. For example, looping may work well for background music, while playing once may be better for a podcast clip, announcement, or featured message. After that, click on Player and open the layout settings. This is where you can switch between the classic layout and the icon layout. The layout you choose affects how much information is shown and how compact the player appears. Under Display, use the check marks to show or hide details like the cover image, artist image, track name, progress bar, and timestamp. These options let you keep the player simple or make it more informative, depending on your design goals. Finally, go to the Design tab. Here you can customize the color, border, and text styling for both the regular state and the hover state. This is a great way to make the player match the rest of your branding and help it feel like a natural part of your website. Once everything looks the way you want, your audio player is ready to enhance your Wix Studio site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.